Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Jerry's Tech Corner, where I help tech work for you. In today's video, I'm going to be setting up and reviewing a humidifier. Now this is just an ordinary humidifier. This does not have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth built into it, so you wouldn't be able to do like app control or voice control. Just a normal humidifier. This doesn't have a brand. It's just a company by itself that make this humidifier, and now this is the box alone, a cardboard box, and this shows how the humidifier looks like. Now the name of this humidifier is called Volcanic humidifier. So if you guys didn't know what a humidifier is a device where you get to add water into the tub over here, and you can add essential oil or fragrant oils such as lavender flavor, mint flavor, lemon flavor, and other types of nice smelling oil. And what the humidifier do, it humidifies the room by emitting mist with the oil in it, so it can make your rooms smell nice. So if you've got a stinky room or a room that has a very smoky smell, you can add the humidifier to it and it will make your room fresh again. So let's open up the box. So I ordered it in green color, but it is appearing in turquoise for some reasons. So this is how the humidifier looks like. It has a USB-C output here where you need to connect the power to power the humidifier, and you got a USB-B outlet here, so you can like add you can charge your phone, you can add other accessories like lights or fan. And here you got a button to power it on and off. And this is the humidifier area where the mist is going to come out. And so the humidifier, this is where you're going to store the water at. Now the storage here is 250 milliliters, and the weight for the mass for this humidifier is around 100 grams. So let's open the humidifier. So they gave us a cable USB to USB-C. Over here you've got the top cap over here, which is the circuit that powers the humidifier. Right over here, this is the rod where it contains a cotton swab, which allows you to soak it in water, and it allows to emit the mist over here, and it comes out and push it back easily. And this is just the top around it. So first thing first, I'm gonna get my water. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna soak the cotton swab in water. You're gonna fully soak the cotton swab in water, and then you're gonna power the humidifier on, and it will then humidifies the room. So I'm gonna prepare that in a while first. So before moving on or doing any other things, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet, and make sure to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. And do like the video and drop down a comment of what you think about this video, as it really helps making more of these videos possible. So now you're supposed to soak the cotton swab that came out from this plastic rod over here. You're going to soak it in water for about 10 minutes. Right guys, so 10 minutes is over right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to remove the cotton bud over here, and now you are actually going to place the cotton bud back into the plastic rod, and over here you're gonna actually push the plastic rod back to the head, and now you're gonna cap the humidifier. So you're gonna cap it up. Oh, there's some water coming out. So humidifier is capped. And so now we're gonna power up the device by adding the wire here to the humidifier. And I'm using a power bank, which is shown over here. And so now if I tap here, as you can see, there's light, and the mist is coming out here. So this is the mist that is actually now coming out here. If you guys can see, a faint mist coming out here. It's not really that strong. Tap another time, it's a bit stronger. Tap the third time, it's off. So I think the first time is actually lighter, and the second time it actually emits more wind. Yeah. So now this is what I added water to, but I'm gonna add some essential oil to it. You may add essential oil to it to make the smell better. So I'll be doing that later. I do hope you guys have enjoyed the video. It actually took me quite a long time to actually make this video, like preparing the water, preparing the essential oil, and to cleaning up the mess over here. So please do me a favor, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and drop down a comment on what you think about this humidifier again. And as you can see here, I forgot to mention that the light around the ring here changes color as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!